And as you can see right here, today I've made over $400 already, totally on autopilot, just copy pasting ads on social media. And every time people respond, they buy the product, they sign up for the service, I make a commission. What is going on, my friend? Garrett here. Now I'm just outside relaxing, enjoying the nice Houston sun. And I just want to share with you kind of my office, right? I mean, this is where I come out and do a lot of the stuff I do, just copy pasting ads on social media. That's really all we're doing. And when you get started, it's very simple to do it from anywhere that there's a Wi-Fi connection. I mean, look at this view. Look how beautiful this is. Sometimes I'll take a dip in the pool and just relaxing as commissions and payments are still being deposited into my bank account, okay? I mean, it's absolutely amazing. It doesn't matter your experience, it doesn't matter your background. If you're coachable, you can do this and you can work from really anywhere. And I like to personally use, work with a great view. I mean, this is absolutely incredible. It makes you feel great with the wind in your hair. But what I'm gonna do right now is actually head inside and share with you some more proof and exactly how you can get started and do the same thing that I'm doing. And as you can see right here, today I've made over $400 already, totally on autopilot, just copy pasting ads on social media. And every time people respond, they buy the product, they sign up for the service, I make a commission. Yesterday I made over $400 as well. And the cool thing is, you can do it anywhere, anytime that there's a Wi-Fi connection and you have a smartphone or computer. Now I'm on my Facebook right now, Garrett Berry. If we're not connected, feel free to connect with me below and I can work with you. But anyway, so if I go scrolling right here, you can see that, people, my students, he made 4 sales in one day, already have 4 sales. Now I want to share with you some of just the lifestyle that you can actually experience. And this was San Diego. I was there recently on a trip. I've been to Colorado recently. This was on a yacht. Okay, and I just want to share with you this, not to, brag, but to really share with you what's possible. Right here, I received a $100 payment on total autopilot, okay? And I have all these people that are, probably, interested or reaching out soon. One of my teammates, okay, was able to make $2,000 depositing into his PayPal, just using the same exact system that you can get access to at the link below, okay? So it's absolutely incredible. Here I was traveling, and it's just amazing, how you can just relax in the nice breeze outside as these commissions, are really pumping into your bank account. Now, real quick, what I want to do is I want to share with you some results that my team's been getting as well. Okay, you can see this guy Brian right here. He's made all this before lunch. Okay, so he earned $1,000, another $500 commission just coming in. Right here, Scott, 1,500 plus weekend. Okay, just following the simple steps. It doesn't matter your background. This guy right here, Tyler, getting over 5 sales in one night. Okay, just receiving these emails from following the proven steps. Anyone can really do this. This guy made $100. This person made $1,000 depositing, and it's just absolutely incredible. $4,000 in a single weekend, I think. Just using the powerful system. So if you're watching this video right now and you want to get more information on how exactly this business opportunity works so you can partner and learn how to do this, go ahead, go to the link below. You're going to get taken to a page that looks similar to this. Click this button and then go ahead and put your best email in. You're going to get sent exactly how this business opportunity works, who's it best for, and really what you need to start doing to earn the same amount of money that me and all these other people were making, okay? So if you're ready, if you're serious, if you're coachable, and you have about 30 to 60 minutes a day with a smartphone, laptop, and a Wi-Fi connection, then go ahead, click this button, put your email in, and get started, my friend. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on the inside.